Hey, this is Sans. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be analyzing Argo Blockchain stock, the company's business model, and I'll be providing a price prediction. To make these videos, it does take a lot of time and effort, so if you would like to support the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. Now let's get straight into the analysis. Argo Blockchain, ticker symbol ARBKF, has had a pullback from $1.90 to $1.07, and this is a decrease of 43% from the high. We have had a pullback due to the decrease in the price of Bitcoin, but overall in the grand scheme of things, ARKBF is well positioned to take advantage of the Bitcoin bull market. So when we buy a stock, the first question is why Argo Blockchain, and then why now? Argo Blockchain mines Bitcoin, and as the price of Bitcoin increases, the share price of Argo will also increase. The company is also purchasing mining machines that will increase its revenue generation. Now let's answer the second question, why now? As Bitcoin has had a pullback from 42,000 to about 31,900, this has led to Argo stock decreasing in value from 1.90 to 1.07, and this is a great entry point. There has also been an offering at Argo due to which the share price has decreased. I really don't see Bitcoin going down too much as the institutional adoption is increasing with Square, MicroStrategy, MassMutual, and BlackRock and others all entering the crypto space. I would not be surprised if Argo stock goes over $2 within the next few months. I'm actually trying to be quite conservative here. The price of Bitcoin is forecasted to increase, and you have to consider that an investment in a Bitcoin mining company like Argo is a leveraged play on the price of Bitcoin itself. Please also do your own due diligence before making a purchase. Please be careful with your entry and exit points. It is better to hold for the long term instead of simply focusing on short-term gains. Another strategy could be to decide on a percentage of your portfolio that you would like to invest in Bitcoin mining companies. Say, for example, it could be 15%. Then you can divide it in 3 and put 5% each in Argo, Mara, and Riot. This way you will be well positioned for different possible future scenarios. Well, this all depends on the size of your overall portfolio and how much you want to invest in each of the miners. Currently, Mara and Riot seem a lot more overvalued in comparison to Argo. So that's another thing that you would want to consider. Argo has made an announcement that 1058 S19 and S19 Pro miners will be delivered ahead of schedule. They will be installed and hashing by January 25th. This will increase the mining capacity of the company from 645 petahash to 748 petahash by the end of January. There has also been a private placement to fund the rapid expansion of its mining capacity. Due to this expansion, there will be an increase of 610 petahash in the installed computing power. This will result in a total of 1685 petahash by Q2 2021. This is a positive sign as it shows the long-term growth plans of Argo. We have to consider that after this offering, the share price of Argo decreased as the institutional investors were given shares at a discount to the current share price. This is just short-term pain after this offering, and from a fundamental perspective, nothing much has changed. I will go through some recent news about the company. Argo has 16,000 Bitcoin mining rigs in North America, and along with Bitcoin, it also mines Zcash and operates 5% of the global ZEC hash power. Argo has also mined more than 2,400 Bitcoin. Argo has recently commenced trading in the OTC markets in the US. It is also listed on the London Stock Exchange. The company will now have greater access to both institutional and retail investors from the US. It has also appointed XMS Capital Partners to build its US investor presence. A factor to consider is that the market cap of the company is only $360 million. We have to take into account the fact that the correlation between Bitcoin and the share prices of Bitcoin mining companies occurs both on the upside and also the downside. As long as Argo can mine Bitcoin efficiently, it will do well in the long term. We are now in the early stages of a mainstream adoption of Bitcoin, and this will only increase going ahead. The potential rise in Bitcoin prices and the increase in mining capacity are all positive signs for the company. There may also be a potential NASDAQ listing in the future. Well, that's it for this video. If you like the content, please subscribe to the channel to receive regular updates on stocks and financial news.